Hey, so in your iPhone, contact poster not showing after the iOS 27 update. So whether your own contact poster isn't syncing, your friends can't see it, or contact photos aren't showing during calls, don't panic. Here are the most effective fixes to get contact posters working again. So first, you just have to refresh your contact poster. So just open up your Contacts app and tap My Card at the top, then tap Edit, and then tap Edit again under your contact poster, and then you just have to switch to the poster option. So now you can change it with any photos, memoji, background, or style, and now tap Done, and now you just have to set it up and save perfectly. So now after set it up properly, if that doesn't help, you just have to remove poster by tapping this icon and now create a new contact poster from scratch. So add a new photo or memoji and customize it the way you like and tap done again and make sure all of your changes are saved correctly until you see this preview screen pop up. So this kind of recreating the contact poster often fix bugs that appear after an iOS 27 update. So now you just have to make sure your iMessage is turned on. Open Settings and go all the way down to Apps. Then from the list, choose Messages and make sure your iMessage is enabled from here. If it's already on, turn it off, wait for a moment and turn it on again. So after that, from Send and Receive option, make sure your correct phone number or Apple account email address is selected, because contact poster rely on iMessage to sync with other iPhone users. Now the thing we just have to check, show my caller ID. So you just have to open up your settings again and scroll down to apps. And now from the list, you just have to go for phone. Now scroll down to find the option, show my caller ID. And when you find it, choose your SIM if you use multiple SIMs and make sure it's enabled from here. So if this settings is disabled from your carrier, your contact poster may not appear when you call other people. So now you just have to go back one screen and tap incoming calls and make sure full screen is selected. Contact poster display properly only when incoming calls appear in full screen mode. So in your case, after trying all of this process, and if the contact poster option is still unavailable or grayed out, you just have to go to settings, then screen time, and then content and privacy restriction. If it's enabled, temporarily turn it off and check whether the contact poster option becomes available. If the issue only happens with one specific contact, open the Contacts app and select that contacts here and tap Edit button and then tap Edit again and then go to the poster section. Make sure you have added and saved a photo, memoji or sticker as the contact poster. If you don't save it, the poster section, it won't appear in full screen during calls. So once you have saved it correctly, the contact photo should show in full screen when they call or whenever you call them. But after trying all of this process here, if you're still having the same problem, you just have to perform a force restart. Just quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. This actually refreshes iOS and can fix temporary contact poster glitches. And after trying all of this process, hopefully one of the solution fixes your contact poster issue. So let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.